Hey, what's going on? It's Ari here. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, please do me a big favor and hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you can be notified of all future videos on this channel. And of course, if you find today's video helpful, then be sure to give this a like, because this of course lets me know that you find this helpful and you want to see more videos like this. So what I'm actually going to be doing is, starting today, I'm going to be starting a brand new series, a brand new training series that's going to be a daily series where I'm going to reveal exactly how to create a full-time income online. More specifically, how I made my very first $7,000, almost $8,000 in monthly residual income alone, right? So this is going to be very exciting. I'm going to be revealing pretty much everything that I'm doing, my entire like daily method of operation. Be showing you exactly what I do on a daily basis to, of course, create sales online. And what's great about this is this series is going to be featured on this YouTube channel, and this is going to be featured as a playlist, which, by the way, I'm going to have the link to this playlist down below in the description. So anytime that you want to, come to this, you could, click that link down below, and that will take you to all the videos right here that you could see from, day 0, which is what you're watching right now, the intro to this series where I reveal what this is all about. And then, of course, day 1, day 2, day 3, so on and so forth. And so what I recommend doing before we proceed forward is, if you see any option anywhere on your screen where you could save this playlist, either, I don't know if it's like the add all to, something like that, where you can, of course, save it to your YouTube account and then just easily refer to that. If you see anything like that, try to save this in any way if you can. If you could maybe bookmark this page, you could just easily come back to this at any point. Anything that you could do to potentially save this, to your device will, of course, be very helpful, as you could just come back to this any point and just, refer back to any of these videos, right? So anyways, this is going to be very exciting. So what I'm going to be doing in this series is I'm going to be leveraging a system, a very newbie-friendly system that you could simply get access to down below. And I'm actually going to talk about how to, get access to this in a little bit here. But what's really great about this is this allows you to earn monthly residual income, so monthly recurring commissions, as well as higher ticket commissions like $100, $500, $1,000 a day, and perhaps more, simply by leveraging a simple system. So what I'm going to be showing you in this video is I'm going to be revealing exactly how to use this system that you could simply plug into as a newbie. And also with this training right here, I'm going to be showing you exactly step by step, day by day, how I use this, how I, of course, go about promoting this to, of course, earn commissions online pretty much on a daily basis, right? So what you're going to want to do before we proceed forward is, the first link down below this video, you're going to want to go to the first link, which is, it should be the wildfireprofits.com, thewildfireprofits.com. You're going to want to click that first link down below and try to open that link in a new tab. So get that in your new tab on Google Chrome, or get that on whatever browser that you're on. And what you're going to want to do is, when you get to this page right here, this will give you a little sneak peek on what's to come here. So free video reveals how to earn huge commissions from 4 income streams using one autopilot system. Has a little preview of the video, and all you have to do here is simply enter your first name and email. I'll give a demonstration right here just to show real quick how exactly what to expect. So you enter your first name and email, click the button to get access, and then this will take you over to the video that will explain more about how it all works, and of course how to get up and running. Now, when you get to this page, this is important. Do not do anything yet, because this is actually going to present you with the option of joining, for like the monthly membership. And what I'm actually going to be doing a little bit later on in this video is, I'm going to be revealing exactly how to get access to this without having to worry about monthly fees. And also, I'm going to talk about how to position yourself for higher earnings with this. So be sure to stick with me towards the end of this video before you proceed forward, and that way I could, of course, explain better about how to get started. So what I actually want to do real quick is I want to show you some proof of concept that this is working very well. This has worked very well with me. I've had some really great momentum with this ever since I started. And so, as you can see right here, total earnings that I've got so far are almost 8,000. And keep in mind, this is just from one income stream alone. This system right here actually allows you to earn from multiple income streams simply by sharing or promoting one link. And so, as you can see, this has been paying me very consistently over the past several weeks, several months even. And what's great about this is that I'm going to actually pull back the curtain a little bit here. I actually have not promoted this in about 2 or 3 months, actually. I've, been testing out a few other things, right? And so I'm now just coming back to this, right? And so what's great about this is I actually have people that have signed up with me to this, some like several months ago, some even over a year ago, that are, that still have their accounts active, and I'm still continuing to get paid from this, which is pretty cool. So what's great about this training is you're going to learn exactly how you can do the same thing, how to create residual income online, how to also create higher ticket income online. So if you want to potentially quit your job or go full time, or have more freedom, or spend more time with family, or whatever the case is, that is exactly what this training series is going to allow you to do, is to do just that, right? And so anyways, so this is just some of my results that I've gotten with the system. But what I also want to do is I want to show you even more results from other members who have used the system. Now, the benefit with this is a very newbie friendly system. This has helped a lot of newbies start making money online. A lot of people who have been trying to make money online for a long time that haven't been able to see success yet. And so after joining the system, this system has helped a lot of newbies get up and running, which is really great. So anyways, here we have Roy Black, who just 16 hours ago made $100 from one of the income streams in the system. We have John Artsberger, who got a few monthly residual commissions, as well as an annual sale that he got right here, right? So if we add this up, 180, so 200 to 220, 240. I think that's another annual right there. So another 180 or 200 right there. So that's about like 500 bucks that he got right there from, or no, that's 440 bucks that he got from what I could see right here, right? So this is just from a few sales that he got just from one income stream in the system, right? So here we can proceed further. John Yanoka, just a few days ago, he got a $150 commission, which is great. We have Cody Knight, $240 commission. Carol got a payout of 172 bucks, which is really great. John Artsberger, $400 commission, so we're getting really good here. Carol got 2 annual sales in a day, so 200, 400 right there. So 420 that she made in a day. And then we have Michael, who made $100 from one of the income streams, and gets even better. I mean, we have even members like Michael Day here, so earning as much as over $1,000 from one sale, or sometimes even multiple thousands from just one of the income streams. And, I can go on and show even more results. I mean, with this group right here, there are tons of newbies in here every single day that are sharing their results, and tons of new people that are sharing that they've made their first sales, and some that are quitting their job and going full time, which is really great. So what I like to do personally is I like to stick with programs that I feel are very newbie friendly, ones that people who are brand new to this can get in and start, earning with, which is really great. And so this program right here, what I absolutely love about it is not only does it allow you to get paid from multiple income streams simply with the effort of promoting one link, but it also does a lot of the heavy lifting for you that typically a lot of other programs, you have to worry about doing a lot of things like building your own web pages, building your own funnels, or writing all these emails, getting setting up an autoresponder, all that type of stuff, right? This system actually does a lot of those things for you. And so the main thing that you really have to learn here to really get results like these members right here is simply how to promote your links that they give you, right? So when you get signed up through the link down below, which I'm going to actually reveal in a little bit here, but when you get signed up here, you're actually going to be given your very own done-for-you capture pages, and done-for-you marketing links that they're going to give you right here. And all you really have to do to really get results with this program is simply get good at promoting these links. Now, what's great about this is that with this series that you're getting for free on this YouTube channel, I'm going to be revealing step by step, day by day, exactly what I do to promote these links, right? I'm going to show you exactly, my way of going about it and how I go about, of course, getting sales online. But also what's great about this is that this is going to allow you to help yourself get up and running as someone who's brand new, right? So the system, you're able to leverage it as a complete newbie, and all this stuff is built up for you. You don't have to worry about building any of this stuff yourself. And the main thing that you really have to do is simply follow in the footsteps that I show you here, right? So the benefit is that if you already know how to use platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, any social media platform like Pinterest or anything along those lines, then you could probably do very well with this system just with that alone, of course. But what I'm going to be doing with this series, I'm going to show you pretty much how I do all that stuff step by step, right? So it's really just a matter of learning how to use social media. And, by the way, you don't have to if you don't want to use social media, there are other options that I will, of course, be getting into as well that don't require you to be on social media. So, I mean, there's multiple methods that I'll be showing you how to, promote this as a complete newbie, which is really great. But as you can see right here, the system allows you to earn from multiple income streams. You have the links that are pretty much all set up for you, and pretty much all this stuff is pretty much set up for you and good to go. And then you have tons of members that are getting great results. So again, you have the marketing links, you have the multiple income streams, you have tons of done for you resources, and you have additional training in the system. And of course, most importantly, you have my training series to go along with it, which is going to show you exactly what I do to, of course, generate sales online, right? So that being said, what I want to do is I want to show you exactly how to, what I recommend that you do to, of course, get access to the system. Now, earlier in this video, I mentioned to go down below, click the first link, and enter your name and email on that page. If you haven't already done so, you want to go ahead and do that. And when you get to this page right here, this will take you to the video that'll explain more about how it all works. And then right here, you could join for $49 a month. Now, what I want to do right here is I want to give you a recommendation on how I recommend getting started with this. So what's going to happen is when you go down below and you get started for $49 a month. So you go down below and you have the option here to, of course, sign up for $49 a month. That will give you access to the entire system, all of your marketing links, and then access to the other income streams you could, of course, learn about as well. And so you could join this down below for, is this pen working or what? For $49 a month. Sorry, my pen is like being really weird right now, but $49 a month will give you access to the system. Now, what will happen is right after you pay for your first month, what will happen is you will be presented with the option to cancel out your monthly fees completely and instead allow you to sign up at the annual level. So this right here, what will happen is you'll be presented with the option of paying an additional $349 upfront, and then what will happen is it'll cancel out your monthly fees, and then instead it'll just be $399 annually. Now, what I recommend that you do, and this is based on my own personal experience with this is based on what I've seen with other members who have joined me in this program, is that the people who tend to get the best of results are those that go for the annual level. And there's a few reasons for this. I'll, of course, explain why I recommend this. The first reason is that you're going to be eligible to earn higher ticket commissions from the first income stream, right? So when you, of course, get started, you're able to earn these monthly recurring $20 commissions, which is great. It could, of course, help you build lots of great momentum with the first income stream. And so you could do very well with the monthly plan alone, but by going annual, you also are eligible to earn these $200 commissions for each member that signs up, that of course joins at that level as well. Now, more importantly, it's not just about that. It's more of a mindset thing on why I recommend going annual. See, the thing with going annual is that when you decide to join, annually, right, and you pay, on a yearly basis rather than monthly, not only do you save money up front, and not only are you able to earn, on the annual level as well, but you have an entire year to make just $400 with the system, which if you follow what I show you in these videos, then you could definitely get some really great results. And of course, making your first $400 online with this, as long as you follow what I show you, should not be difficult at all. And, but also once you earn your first $400 online with this, then everything else within your first year online is 100% profit, right? So that's really the benefit with this. And also it's more of a mindset thing, right? When you decide to go annual, you tend to be much more committed. You have more of a long-term mindset. And then at the same time, like the way that you really want to look at this is that this is it's of course a business, right? Every business that you start, online or offline, affiliate marketing, any other business model, requires an investment of time and or money. At the end of the day, if you are not willing to treat it like a business, then it's not going to pay you like a business. If you just treat it like a hobby, if you just try it out for a little bit, if you just dip your toes in the water, then you're probably not going to get as good of results as someone who is, who decides to go annual, right? So what I've noticed personally from myself, myself going annual in different programs, is that I always tend to get better results when I go annual, and then people who join me in this program or other ones that have had annual levels always get better results when they join at the annual level. So for that reason, I recommend going at the annual level. And then what this will do is you will not have to worry about, paying on a monthly basis. You will save a bit in the long term, and you'll also be eligible to earn, on the, much more for the same amount of work. So at the end of the day, with everything that I'm going to be showing you in the upcoming videos, all the amount of work that we're going to be doing in these videos is going to be the same, right? It really comes down to, do you want to get paid more or less for the same amount of work that we're putting in here, right? So that's really the way that you want to, of course, look about this. And of course, that being said, all you have to do right now is go down below. When you get to this page, you're going to want to watch this video. This will explain more about how it all works, and you're going to want to go down, click the button right here, get signed up for the $49 a month plan, and then when they present you the option, you're going to want to take that option and, of course, go annual to, of course, position yourself for higher paydays, and also it will allow you to be much more committed, for the long term, right? So anyways, go ahead, go down below, get started, get your account set up right now, and then once you, of course, have done that, then you, of course, proceed on to day number 1, where I will, of course, go over how to get everything set up, and then from there onwards, I'll be showing you exactly how to go about promoting this, and of course, getting you the results that I showed you earlier, such as what I've been getting and other members as well. So anyways, go down below, get your account set up, and take care. See you in the next one.